to the Go Legal Yourself podcast. This show is about knowing the legal life cycle of your business. Welcome to Go Legal Yourself podcast, episode 30. Title, Do I Need an Attorney or Can I Do This on My Own? I'm your host, Attorney Kelly Bagla, the Queen of Business Law. You can interact with us on social media and please do download our app from your app store. As I mentioned back in episode 18, for the next 10 episodes, I will be doing a series on legal issues facing entrepreneurs. Again, it's not the most sexiest topic to discuss, but it's the most important topic to discuss, especially if you're running your own business. You don't want to run your own business just to get sued, so make sure that you at least arm yourself with knowledge, with information, and that's what Go Legal Yourself is all about. It's here to help you succeed, and it's here to help you become a better advised business owner. Now, the 10th and final legal issue facing entrepreneurs, especially in this series that I'm sharing with you, is, do I need an attorney or can I do it on my own? Well, if you are smart enough, you will know what you're good at and you will know what you are bad at. Now, I certainly know that I am not good at numbers. I wouldn't dare of sitting down and doing my own taxes. I'm sure I'm smart enough to, but I wouldn't do that because it's not my forte. 2, I don't want to take the time out of my busy schedule to learn how to do taxes. And 3, again, numbers and I just do not get along. So I know for a fact that I'm not going to do my own taxes and I'm going to hire someone to actually do those for me. Now, sometimes you might perceive a legal problem to be small, when in fact, the problem can potentially impact your business in ways that only an attorney can foresee. You probably think, well, oh, she's an attorney. She's obviously going to advise that we seek the help of an attorney rather than doing it ourselves. Well, yes, I am. And the reason I'm saying that is because of all of the experiences that I have encountered with clients just like you. They think they can do it themselves, they go ahead and do it themselves, and then they mess up royally. Plain and simple. I don't know how to beat things around the bush, so I'm a very straightforward person and I just say it like I've seen it. I have had business owners come to me and say, oh my God, I don't know what's going on here. I've had my business for 10 years. I haven't filed anything. I'm not in compliant. I've been issued a notice from the IRS, from the state equalization board. What do I do? Well, again, if you're going to go into business, make sure that you consult with someone that can help you go into business, right? So for example, consult with a business attorney that can put you on the right track. Consult with a CPA that can help you make sure that you save more money rather than giving it away in taxes. Consult with maybe a professional website designer. Yes, there is an expense. There's an expense to starting a business, but that's part of being your own boss. That's part of having a business that you can run. That's why not everybody does it. By the way, did you know less than 14% in the entire United States of America own their own business? Less than 14. You are within that less than 14%. Obviously, you know what type of business you want to run. You know how to do it. You have the experience to do it. But you must also have the whereabouts of hiring professionals to do certain things for you. And yes, legal can get expensive, but that's where it would really bode well for you to find a trusted business attorney that can work with you on whether you're a startup, whether you're just growing, whether you have invoices that you need to collect on so you can pay the legal bills. There are multiple ways that you can work with an attorney if they're willing to work with you. And usually, in my experience, most are. But seeing things that could potentially harm your business, all that hard work you've put into it, it's probably one of the best things you could ever do for your business is to hire a business attorney. So don't try to do this on your own. Unless you have a law degree in business and you have practiced in business law for probably 10 years, don't try to do this on your own. So while you can certainly read up on a particular legal issue, if you have the time, again, who has the time? It's best to consult with an attorney who can anticipate various legal pitfalls your company might encounter. And trust me, there are a lot of pitfalls that you as the business owner are not aware of that your attorney could bring to your attention and potentially shield you from those pitfalls. I hope this series was informative. I hope it helped you become a more confident and successful business owner. And I will be starting a series on funding. I know it's a topic that I'm usually asked questions on, and I will bring my experience and my stories to the table and share with you, and also resources too, as far as where you could get funding from. So I hope that you have a fantastic day. I hope you have learnt greatly from this 10 series, and I do ask that you go back and listen to some of the older episodes as well. Again, they are full of information only to help you succeed as a business owner. We always ask for your comments and questions and anything else that you might want me to discuss on air. And remember, the only way you become successful is if you make today the day you go legal yourself. I am Attorney Kelly Bagla, the Queen of Business Law, and it is my pleasure being your host today. Until next time, cheers to your success.